Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and in today's video I'm going to answer a really popular question, which is, what is septic tank conversion? So what is septic tank conversion? If you're a septic tank owner, let me just start by telling you this is probably one of the most important videos you could watch this year. So let me get straight into this. What is septic tank conversion? Well, basically a septic tank converter converts or turns sewage effluent into safe, clean mineral water. So why do you need a septic tank converter? Well, simply because of this. Septic tanks installed before 2015 must now all have an MOT certificate, which is technically called an EN 12566. So all the rules and regulations changed on the 1st of January 2020. So as I said, every septic tank throughout the UK now installed before 2015 needs an MOT certificate. So how do you get that MOT certificate for your septic tank? Well, you've got three options. Option number one, you can spend 15,000 quid plus getting a company in to install a completely new septic tank and soakaway or wastewater treatment plant system for you. They'll put a new one in, it'll be really good, it'll cost you 15 grand plus, and but the point is you'll get an MOT certificate that way. Option two, many people selling their house at the moment who haven't got a company in to replace the system normally at this point have to drop their house price by £15,000 or more, because the solicitor representing the people buying your house will say, can we see your MOT certificate? So if you haven't got one and it's going to take too long to get a company in to install it and you could lose a house sale, then many people are just dropping their house price by 15,000 quid so they can get the people moving into their house to install a new system. Now, the reason I've made this video is because there's another option, option three. Now, option three will save you a minimum of £12,000 because all you need to do is install a septic tank converter. So what do I mean by septic tank converter? Well, let me show you. Here you go. This is a very popular government approved system. It's called an ecosystem septic tank converter, and they're really easy to put in. There's no electricity, and you or your builder can put it in literally within a couple of hours. Let me show you how easy they are to install. All right, so let's say you've got an onion tank, septic tank. You might have a concrete one or a brick one, it doesn't matter. This septic tank converter works with all septic tanks. So here's your septic tank. All right, so normally what would happen is your septic tank would spew out sewage effluent into the soil, and that would look something like that. All right. So to stop pollution, the government introduced these septic tank converters. So let me show you how to install them. Okay, so basically you just dig a hole next to the existing septic tank. So let me do this. Here we go. There we go. So you dig a little hole near your existing septic tank, and then you just install the ecosystem septic tank converter. It's a small black box that looks like that. And you'll notice there's some holes in the lid, and there's a little vent there, and it's like organic. It's like an organic lug. It sucks in oxygen and exhales the CO2 out of the little vent there. So let me show you how it works. So as we said, you've got all the horrible poo and sewage stuff in your septic tank. It passes into this little black septic tank converter. Now on the septic tank converter, the ecosystem, you'll have an outlet pipe. So instead of horrible, disgusting sewage waste coming out of it, instead the septic tank converter converts it into safe, clean mineral water. That's it. That is it in a nutshell. How simple is that? Now, many firms won't tell you about these septic tank converters because they can't make much money on them. In fact, even though I sell them, they're kind of loss leaders because the government are trying to get every household, every septic tank owner in the UK to install one of these. Not only will it turn your horrible filthy sewage into clean mineral water, but as I said, it will save you at least £12,000 plus. And as I said, you or your builder can easily install it literally in 1 to 2 hours. So I hope that little tip has helped you today. If you'd like to see more information about the ecosystem septic tank converter, then just go to septictank.co.uk. You'll see lots of free videos there as well. Or you can go to my Septic Tank TV channel, which is called Septic Tank TV. Just type that in Google and you'll see my YouTube channel. Again, loads of free videos there giving free help and advice on all kinds of solutions to septic tank problems. And if you subscribe right to my Septic Tank TV channel, you'll be in with a chance to win a free ecosystem septic tank converter. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.